Hello everyone. Karnataka is our state. Kannada is our language. We have already studied about Karnataka's different freedom movements and struggles. So today let us discuss something more about it in our lesson Our Karnataka. First let us understand the administrative divisions of Karnataka. Our land, Karnataka, has a history of 2000 years. Many new districts have been formed after the independence. Bigger districts have been divided to create smaller ones. Karnataka is divided into four revenue divisions. They are Bengaluru Division, Mysore Division, Belgavi Division, and Kalburgi Division. First, let us understand Bengaluru Division. Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. There are 9 districts in Bengaluru Division: Bengaluru Urban, Bengaluru Rural, Kolar, Chikballapura, Ramanagara, Tumkuru, Chitradurga, and Shivamogga. Bengaluru has a history rich as Karnataka. The earliest rulers were from the Ganga dynasty, and then many rulers came and went back. Karnataka has rich source of natural resources obtained from nature like rivers, forests, waterfalls, animals, soils, and minerals. Bengaluru division has tropical monsoon climate. Shivamogga region gets highest rainfall. Some of the important rivers are Uttara Pinakini, Dakshina Pinakini, Vedavati, Samisha, Tungabhadra, Sharavati, and Varada. World famous Jog Falls is in Shivamogga district. Waterfall named Mutyala Madavu is in Bengaluru district. Forest, wild animals, and national parks. Shivamogga has a dense forest cover in Bengaluru division. These forests have bamboo, banyan, tamarind, sandalwood, teak, mango, and neem trees. This division has also many wild animals such as wild cat, tiger, leopard, bison, wild pig, deer, bear, and wolf. Karnataka has many forest reserves, wildlife sanctuaries, and national parks. Agriculture and growth of industries. Agriculture is the main occupation of people in Bengaluru division. The main crops of this division are ragi, maize, paddy, groundnuts, cotton, sugarcane, and others. Sir M. Vishveshwaraya is the founder of our state's industrial sector. Bengaluru is the most important industrial place in India. The first cement factory of the state was established in Bhadravati. Karnataka is ranked second in the export of garments in India. Now let us understand art, literature, folklore, theatre, and dance. The national poet Coimbu, Masti Venkatesha Iyengar, and U.R. Anantamurthy received the prestigious Jnanapita Award. Bengaluru is an important center of cinema industry. The film industry is growing positively due to the contributions from various personalities. Education and health. Bengaluru division has achieved immensely in the field of education. Every district center has a well-equipped district hospital. Bigger towns and villages have community health centers. Taluka centers have taluka hospitals. The government has established primary health centers. Cultural resources. The chief architect of Karnataka integration, Kengal Hanumantaya, is from this division. The Vidhana Saudha building was built during his tenure as the Chief Minister. Many prudent people from the Bengaluru division had taken part in the national freedom struggle. Bengaluru is the capital city of Karnataka. Vidhana Saudha, the administrative center of Karnataka state government, is in Bengaluru. Some of the important districts in Bengaluru division are Bengaluru Rural District. This district came into existence in 1986. There are 4 talukas: Nelamangala, Doddaballapura, Devanahalli and Hosakotte. Ramnagara District. There are 4 talukas: Channapatna, Kanakapura, Ramanagara and Magadi. Chikballapura District. Kolar District was divided to create Chikballapura District. There are 6 talukas. Kolar District. Earlier in the days, gold mines were found, but in 2003, gold mines of Kolar were closed. Tumkuru District. Tumkuru District is one of the largest districts of our state. It has 10 talukas. Chitradurga District. Chitradurga is famous for its big 7-ringed fort. Davanagere District. Davanagere has the biggest lake in South India called Shanti Sagar, is in Channagiri. Shivamogga District. Shivamogga is called as the rice granary of Karnataka. So this was a summary of our lesson, Our Karnataka. We need to know important facts and features of our state so as to make use of it in our future accordingly. Thank you, students.